Yeah, I'll just take a very simple example today, only for half an hour or less than that. See, what we'll do is, yeah, I want a driver program. Just try to understand. Okay, and this driver program, when I run this, I should get a selection screen. Okay, I should get a selection screen where I need to enter. Right, so I should get a selection screen where I need to enter address number. Already we have seen address in smart forms. Okay, and then here I need to enter the logo. Understood? So logo will upload in by using what? SE78. Okay, so that logo I'll enter here. Then here, this is my Adobe form. This is Adobe form. This Adobe form should contain, here it should display what is this address content, and here I should display what the dynamic logo means. Logo name I'm passing from where? From the driver program. Okay, dynamic logo, and here I should display some what standard text content. We know how to display standard text in what? Scripts and what? Smart form. We have to display it in what? Adobe form. And here I should display, I should display some static text including, okay, some static text including floating field content. Let's see what is this floating field content. Okay, so this is your selection screen, and this is your Adobe form. So let's see how to do it. So when we run the driver program, in the selection screen we have to input what? Selection address number and what? Logo, and you have to display the Adobe form in this way. Okay. Pawan, please mute your speakers. Okay. So let's see how to do it. Am I clear? So the main thing is this one, dynamic logo. Dynamic logo means in scripts what you will do, how do you display the logo? We'll upload it by using what? SE78, and we'll use some navigations. It's so that it will generate what? Bitmap control command. By using bitmap control command, we'll insert the image. So in the layout itself, we are going to choose the path of that image. You know? Similarly, in smart form also, you create the graphic object and we'll do it in smart form. But here, the main thing is dynamically. Dynamically in the sense, I'm going to upload the logos by using what? SE78. Okay, if I give logo 1 in my selection screen, if I type logo 1, that is the name of the logo, that logo should display. If I go logo 2, it should display what? That particular logo. Understood? The logo should be what? Dynamic here. It's not static. Okay, that is important. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So first of all, let me create what? One standard text. Where do we create the standard text? In SO10. So I'll go to SO10. I'll create the standard text. I'll give a standard text name as Z my text. Z my standard text create. Text ID is ST and the language is what? English. Okay, right? So now here I'll say this is standard text. I'll choose what change editor. I'll give the text here. So this is a text I want to display. Right. What is this text name? Z my S text. Okay. And what is the other requirement? Here we should pass the address number. We have to get display the address content. Okay. Am I clear? So what I have to do here? What is the table which stores the address? ADRC. ADRC. Okay. So we have a table ADRC which stores what? Address. Address of the business partners, which stores the address of the business partners. Yeah. Okay, business address. What is the field here? See, address number. What is the data element? AD underscore address num. AD underscore address num. Okay, so what I'll do, what is the first step we have to do? We have to create the Adobe interface. So let us create the Adobe interface. So I'll go to SFPT code. Yeah, here let me choose the interface name. I'll give the interface name as Z Adobe interface. 5 is over, na? 5 is over, so I'll go for 6. 5 is already there, so I'll go for 6. Type of interface is what? ABAP dictionary based interface. Yeah, I'll save it in the local object. Done. So now my requirement is, what is that I have to pass from the driver program? Address number I have to pass, and I have to pass what? Logo. I have to pass the address number and logo. So address number is part of which table? ADRC. What is the field name? ADR number. ADR number, and the data element is AD underscore address number. So what I'll do is, here I'll take one import parameter. I'll give the parameter name as I underscore what? Address number type. What is the table name? ADRC hyphen what? Address number. ADRC hyphen address number. Is it clear? Okay. Then I'll take one more parameter. I have to pass the logo also, na. Already we know what are the parameters you want to pass. That has to pass through what? Interface. So I'll take a logo. Okay. I'll take one more parameter logo. It is of type hexadecimal what? String. It is of type hexadecimal string. Done. Save it. Check for the syntax errors. No errors. Okay, no syntax errors found. Now let me activate this. Yeah, it's activated. So this is my interface. Now I need to create a form based on this now. So let us create a form. I'll go to SFP. I'll choose a form name. Z Adobe Interface what? 6. Create. Oh, sorry. Form name na. C Adobe what? Form 6. I'll click on create. I'll give the interface. Z Adobe Interface 6. Let me save it. Done. So what I have to do now? Whatever you have to display in the Adobe form, it should be available in the form context. No? So what I should display here? Address, content, and what? Logo. So this is carried by these two parameters. No? So what I'll do as usual? Yes, we have to map. We have to map from interface context to form context. So let me just drop it here. Done. Actually, okay. Let me drop there. I'm dropping that address number parameter. Let us drop this logo also. Okay, both the things I dropped. Okay, so how do you create the address in what smart form? How do you display address? You'll create the object of type what? Address. How do you do it in scripts? Scripts. I have not told, I know that, but everything it's not possible. Hmm? We have to use a control command called as address and end address. Address and what? End address. Okay. So here I want to display the address. So what you have to do is just here. I'll right click on the form. Right click on the form. Create. What is this? Address. Am I clear? I'm creating the address object. So right click on the form and create the address object. Done. Address object is created. Now to this address object, just here, it is asking what? Address number. What is the parameter which is carrying the address number? I underscore what? ADR number. Is it clear to everyone? To create the to display the address, you have to create what object? Address object. As part of the address object, it is accepting one property. What is this? Address number. What is the parameter which is carrying that? I underscore what? Address number. So let me give what? Let me give what? I underscore what? Address number. Done. Is it clear? I gave the I underscore address number. Let me save it. Check for the syntax errors. Oh, I got two errors. What is this? One is layout. We have not a design what? Layout. What is the other error? You did not specify what? Sender country. Where? In which node? Address. So in the address node might be there is a field what? What is this? Sending country. Sending country. Okay. So what I'll do now? I'll go back to my what? Interface. Is it clear? I'll go back to the interface, and as part of the interface, let me try to create another parameter. I'll create another parameter what? I underscore what? Land1. Okay, I underscore land1 type. What is the table? What is the table which stores the country keys? T005 I think. T05. 2 is what? Language keys. T005 is what? What? Country keys. T005 is the table which stores the country keys. In that there is a field what? Land1. So what I'll do here? I underscore land1 type T005 hyphen what? Land1. It is asking the country key, na? That's why I'm passing this. Is it clear? Let me save this interface. Check that. Let me activate this. Okay, so I am passing to three parameters. Now let me come back to what? My Adobe form. Adobe form. So I need to refresh it. I'll go back. because if you click on change, will it come here? No, I think so. Yeah, it's coming now. When you come back, what is the other field parameter I added? Landward. So what I'll do, I can drop it here, or let me check whether I can directly specify. I'll double click on the address. What is the error we got here? Specify what? Sender country. So what I'll do here, scroll down. There is a field what? Sender, sending country. So what is that? I underscore what? Landward. Okay, so let me save. Check for the syntax errors. Yeah, I got one error. This is a warning, leave it. So what is this error? No layout exists in the original language. So what I do now? Go to what? Layout and design. Is it clear? So first let us concentrate only on what? Address. I'm sure no one has practiced Adobe Forms. Yes or no? Right? Even online also I'm sure. Anyone practiced? Pawan? No. Yeah. Anyone practiced Adobe Forms online? Just listening, na? So listening will continue. Okay? Right. Software, from where I got the software? Ah, Amirpet, there are many people. They'll charge some 200, 300, take your laptop, they'll install and give it to you. Okay? Right. So the layout has been opened here. It will not come through SAP software. You have to install it separately. Okay, and it seems that EHP5 doesn't support that. If you have EHP5, it seems that we cannot install Adobe. I'm not sure what are the people said I am saying. So that's why this is 6.0. So install it in what? 6.0. You can contact Babu Technologies. It is in the seller of our institute. You can contact them, they'll give it. You refer my name, they'll give some discount also. Okay, right. So this is address number, I'll just drag and drop. Right, this address number, done. Now let me extend this because address might contain what? House number, street. It is asking, do you want to allow what? Multiple lines. Yes, I want to allow multiple lines. Are we clear? Why I am expanding? It will contain what? Name, house number, street, city, pin code, might be all those information. That's why I'm just enlarging it. Done. Okay. Let me save it. So what I need to do, I need to check whether where we are getting the address number or not. So let me just right. One small change I have to do. I'll go back to my interface. In my interface level, I'll make them as what? What? Optional. So that I may or may not pass the parameters. I'm making them as what? Optional. Okay, done. So I'm done with this also. Now let me write the driver program. So SC38 Z call what? Adobe 5 is there. I'll copy this to what? Adobe 6.